Une terre qui raconte l'histoire de la formation du Japon, Shimane. Les montagnes, les îles et la mer composent une nature grandiose, vibrante de mythes et de croyances. Le département de Shimane englobe le vaste parc national de Daisenoki qui se subdivise en 4 zones. Nous voici dans la partie ouest de la péninsule de Shimane. Les divinités de tout le Japon se rassembleraient à Itsumo durant le 10e mois de l'ancien calendrier lunisolaire. En vertu de cette croyance, ce mois est localement appelé Kami Arizuki, à savoir mois de présence des divinités. Cap de Hino, à l'extrémité ouest de la péninsule de Shimane. Un phare haut de 44 mètres veille sur la sécurité des navigateurs. Il se dresse fièrement sur une pointe rocheuse découpée, sculptée par les vagues tumultueuses de la mer du Japon. Un superbe rivage, des ruelles pittoresques, voici le vieux port de Sagiura. Le bleu de la mer et le rouge des toits en tuiles forment un tableau plein de charme.
All right. Hey, look at all those birds fly! Wow!
Oh, it's nice.
They're so pretty. So
Yes,
many of them,
really.
all flying at once.
La côte est jalonnée de nombreuses grottes. Depuis la mer, les vues sur la côte sont superbes.
The Japanese coastline is full of caves. They're everywhere. Are you scared of bats?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't think there's any bats in this one.
Le bateau a accosté, on met pied à terre près de la plus grosse grotte. C'est parti pour l'aventure.
Look, it's such a big cave.
Wow.
Have you been in a bigger cave than this?
No.
No, it's the biggest cave you've ever been in. Be careful.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Look, and the water is like really green. It's so nice.
Nice. I
Yeah.
like it.
You see a turtle up there?
Where?
Right there. I don't know, it might not be a turtle. I think it was a turtle though. Yeah. Is it a turtle? I don't know.
Découvrons maintenant la partie est de la péninsule de Shimane. Dans la fraîcheur de l'air matinal, le son cristallin de clochettes s'échappe du sanctuaire. Tous les matins, les miko, des servantes du sanctuaire, exécutent la danse rituelle Mikomai dans une atmosphère baignée de solennité. Longer le rivage à bicyclette, quoi de plus agréable? La route est jalonnée de vues panoramiques.
Oh wow, let's stop here.
Yeah.
Look at the scenery.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah, I've never seen the Japanese sea before.
Really?
It's amazing how all of these small islands get made in Japan. This must be the best scenery in Shimane.
No, there are lots more. I'll show you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Follow me.
Le va-et-vient des vagues, la brise marine. À Shimane, la mer captive l'essence et donne du sel à toutes les activités.
So, do you like Shimane?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
This is my favorite place in the world, I guess.
Really? Yeah, I love it. The sea's beautiful. We got the mountains too. Oh, I love Shimane.
Me too.
L'archipel d'Oki. Cet archipel au remarquable patrimoine géologique a été classé Géoparc mondial UNESCO. La couleur flamboyante de ces falaises leur vaut le nom de falaises rouges, Sekiheki. La côte de Kuniga et ses vertigineuses falaises. La côte de Shirashima est grainée de rochers. À Shimane, La nature exprime sa force et sa beauté.
Wow, what is this place? So this is one of my favorite places in the Oki Islands. The tree is called Chichisugi Japanese cedar, and it is told to be around 800 years old.
So old.
Yes.
And it is so giant.
Yes.
Wow.
So we will climb now to the Washigamine Peak. This is the place with a really amazing scenery. I hope you will love it.
Wow, sounds fine.
So let's go.
Let's go. It is the first time when you climb this mountain?
Oh no, this is actually quite a famous spot here on the island for hiking. So I've been here with my friends a few
cool.
times, maybe like 5 or 6 times.
Les montagnes offrent elles aussi de nombreuses parties de plaisir. Chemin de crête sur le versant nord du mont Daimanji. Le sentier conduit au pic de Washiga escarpé. Ce parcours de trek donne des sensations exaltantes. C'est ici le sommet du pic de Washiga. La vue donne sur une insolite formation rocheuse appelée Biobeiwa, à savoir rocher paravent. Au-delà, on distingue la mer du Japon.
What also can we do in Oki Islands?
Well, today we only hiked, but if you come during summer, you can do sea kayaking and also swimming, and diving is also available.
Wow.
So there's lots of activities you can do here.
Yeah, sounds fun.
Yeah, if you like adventurous travel, that's the place to go.
L'envoûtant mont Sanbe, chargé de mythes. Au cœur de la nature, expérimentez une formule d'hébergement originale, le glamping.
Yeah. You guys go camping a lot?
Not so much.
Yeah, I go camping quite a lot. Hey, look who's here! Hey.
Hi. How are you? I'm great. How are you? For elementary school.
Oh, there it goes. Here we go.
You can do it.
Yeah! Woo! Okay, everyone, to Shimano's nature! Cheers!
À table, avec en toile de fond le majestueux mont Sanbe. Autour d'un copieux barbecue, les conversations s'animent tandis que la nuit tombe.
What is your favorite food?
I love meat, so I hope we have. I think we're gonna have a lot of barbecue meat.
Shimano beef is better, yeah?
Yeah. I feel like I'm doing like a food commercial, like Shimano beef. Oh yeah.
The best.
En hiver aussi, le mont Sanbe a son lot d'attraits. Chaussé de raquettes, quel plaisir de respirer à plein poumon l'air pur et vivifiant de la forêt, tout en foulant une neige toute fraîche.
Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty amazing. Like it's so the air is so clear here. Like it's because it's far away from like all the big traffic and stuff like that. So the air is
That's true.
amazing.
That's true.
And like to breathe it and feel like really refreshed and then look at these sights is pretty amazing.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's
And the
really
snow today is beautiful. Can you imagine living here and getting to experience this every day?
Yeah. I mean no.
The people who live close to
Yeah.
this mountain are very lucky.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm jealous. I actually, before coming to Japan,
Yeah.
I didn't realize that it was so mountainous.
Yeah, you didn't.
I kind of thought it was flat,
Really?
but so I was pleasantly surprised by all the beautiful mountains.
Yeah.
En hiver, les montagnes de Shimane résonnent de l'écho des voix des skieurs et des snowboarders. des activités variées pour profiter d'un cadre naturel d'exception au fil des 4 saisons. Voilà le principal atout de Shimane.